What's up, guys? You want another video. Today we are on the way to 412. We're gonna get a little update on the G80, see how far they've gone with the wrap. I think today they just started disassembling it, so I'm pretty sure the car is gonna look pretty stripped today. I hope. We're gonna stop there, check it out right now, and we're also gonna grab the center caps because we actually got the wheels already sent to the powder coat shop. Shout out to my dad. My dad came out here and picked up the wheels for me because, as you guys know, I don't have a big enough car to carry 4 freaking wheels and take them to the powder coat shop because we're redoing the wheels for the G80. So shout out to my dad. He has a big enough car. He came and picked up the wheels for me, took them to the powder coat shop today, got those dropped off, but I think we forgot the center caps and we gotta paint those too. I'm gonna go to 412 right now, check how far they've gone with the G80. And then later, I think we might go to a little meet tonight, or a little cruise. I don't know. I think I'm gonna roll with Kevin and Nikon though. I don't think I'm gonna take the GTR. And later at night, I'll probably do a little Q&A. I actually asked you guys some questions on Instagram a few days ago actually, and I haven't done the Q&A yet. So I have a ton of questions here, so I'm gonna answer those for you guys. I told you guys, just ask me anything, bro. It doesn't even need to be about YouTube or cars. Ask me anything. We'll check out those questions later on today, maybe do a Q&A in this video. I missed the G80 though, guys, I'm not gonna lie. We dropped it off last week, I think, but I missed it already. I miss driving manual, bro. And I feel like the GTR is kind of a headache to drive, guys. Like, it's not that much of a daily. It's loud, it drives pretty freaking stiff, it gets a lot of attention, and yeah, it's not a daily driver. That's for sure, bro. The G80 is definitely more practical, I feel. Even though it's manual, it's still way more practical. Damn, I came hella bummy today, huh? Oh my god, guys, they're already wrapping it. I thought they were just gonna take it apart today, but they're actually wrapping the car. It looks like the trunk's wrapped, the bumper's wrapped. There's no way. Oh my god. F80. Dude, I have to be very careful not to show the color. Holy crap. I'm sorry, it's in black and white, guys, but dude, this color is so bright. That's crazy. The trunk's already done. The car's already done, bro. You like it? Yeah. It's in black and white, so they can't see, but... Oh, that shit's fire. They don't know. They don't know yet. It's a surprise, but damn, bro. I'm sorry, trust. I wish I could show you guys, but I can't yet. But as you guys can see, look, we got it all disassembled. Everything's getting disassembled properly so that the wrap comes out perfect. We're gonna try to hide all of this Brooklyn gray paint so you don't even see it. Look, door trims are out, window trims, the whole diffuser, even the door panels. What? I didn't even know we had to do all that. But I guess for like the mirrors maybe. Damn, dude, they disassembled everything. I really wish I could show you. It's gonna look insane when it's done. I can't believe I'm doing this color. I literally can't believe it. Even with the trunk and the bumper being wrapped already, I still can't envision the whole thing. Like, I can't believe we chose that color. It's gonna be sick. I can't wait. I'm sorry, guys. I'm literally like teasing you guys so much, but I promise the reveal is gonna be worth it. I promise. I really can't film anything in this freaking 412 today because I feel like I'm gonna show it on accident. It's reflecting off everything, how bright it is. I can't show you this because I can see it in the reflection. I can see it right there. So I definitely can't show you that, but an R8. Yeah, that's pretty much all I can show you guys. I don't want to bore you too much with the black and gray. And this is a good sign. That means it's probably going to get done very, very fast. I literally thought we were just going to disassemble it today, not start wrapping. So freaking excited, guys. You guys don't understand, bro. I really wish I could show you the freaking color. You don't know how bad I want to show you guys. But trust me, the reveal is going to be worth it. I'm going to try to do a sick video with it when we do the reveal. Said it before, it's bright, guys. That's the only hint you can get, and I can't believe we actually did this color. I want to keep filming in there and show you, but like there's not much to film because everything's black and white footage. I know it's pretty boring to watch footage that's all black and white, so sorry about that. Again, I'm going to keep you guys updated throughout the process, and as soon as I figure out when it's going to be done, then I'll let you guys know like the reveal date and all that good stuff. I'll probably throw even like a car meet specifically for the reveal so you guys could come out and see the car for the first time in person. I think that'd be really cool. Something for all of us, bro, because I want this to be like a whole experience for all of us, myself and you guys. So anyways, shout out to 412 for helping me out get the G80 wrapped quickly. Actually, it's moving quickly, bro. Like I said, I thought today they were just gonna disassemble it, but I guess not. Look, the wheels are already off for paint or for powder coat, and then the car's already getting stripped and wrapped. So we're making progress, guys. Oh, I know what I forgot. All right, I gotta go back. I have to actually get a piece of the wrap so I can give it to my caliper guy. because we're gonna paint the calipers as well, and he wants to go get the paint so we can color match the wrap to the freaking calipers. It's not no ordinary color. Like, we have to literally match the caliper paint to the wrap. So another hint. So anyways, let me go back and grab a little piece of the wrap so we can give it to him so he can go get the correct paint. A lot of moving steps for this freaking wrap. Wheels, calipers, wrap, ECU probably too. I need to ship that shit out, dude. Check this out, guys. We back outside in the freaking wilderness with Kevin. Look what I'm wearing too, bro. I should have wore actually some shoes. But we out here on some dirt. Kevin, I still haven't went off-roading with you. Still.
You messed up.
I still haven't went.
Came with us the other day.
Yeah, he's been going every weekend, and I don't know why I haven't been going, but have a little photo shoot. What's up, G? You're not bored of it?
Nope.
At all?
Not at all.
How?
Bro, it's so much fun. It's literally the funnest thing ever.
I still want one, but I'm not as rich as you, G. I'm stuck between getting a freaking truck or another car. Look where we're at. We're like on the top of a freaking of the world. Looks sick.
That's where I wanted to take you.
Thanks, G. It's pretty romantic.
Is it?
We have a picnic back here?
Huh?
We should like put a blanket.
It'd be cute, no?
And like candles. Look at my fit, G.
What are you wearing?
Do I look like a cholo?
I've never seen you wear baby blue shorts and high socks.
Like this, G?
You have skinny legs.
Look at.
Like little hot dog legs. Oh, bro, don't do your...
I'm just kidding.
Oh my... Guys, look at him.
What do you think?
Now you look hella firme, fool. Yeah, hell yeah.
What's up, fool? You got the Bronco food? Sick ass food. What if I vlog like this? Bro, what if some guy came up right now?
Finding Cholo? Yeah, you look smoked out, brother.
With all my tattoos?
That's funny.
Dude, he just got the car wash too, and look at it. It's already dirty again. Damn, that looks so sick. Tell me it don't look like a freaking Ford commercial, bro. I swear. Oh, wait, look what just pulled up, guys. Another one. No way. Rich. You guys should do a picture together, G. Maybe that's your soulmate right there.
It's my baby girl.
I think that's a regular Bronco, and this is the Bronco Raptor edition. You can see how much bigger it is too. It's crazy. Y'all think the G80 would have made it in here? The GTR is all-wheel drive. I swear, if we put some like regular tires on the GTR, we probably could get in here. Look at Nikon's new car.
I was gonna say that.
No way, bro. That shit got carbon everywhere. Sheesh. Or is it Thomas's car? Thomas?
Yes.
Happy birthday, brother.
Thank you.
Congrats on the years. Guys, we got the years out here. We got the Bronco, the Range, all the SUVs, huh? Which one are you gonna take though out of all the SUVs? That's the question. Today is Thomas's birthday. The only thing he wants for his birthday is to cruise with all the homies. So we got a Urus today. Nikon's gonna be whipping this. We're probably gonna go with him in the Urus. And then I think a GT3 RS is pulling up. They said an Aventador might be pulling up. A bunch of sick ass cars about to pull up tonight, and we're gonna go for a little private cruise, private car meet. I don't know, just kick it for his birthday. It should be pretty cool. But at least we got a Urus to whip. That'll be fun. And I think a Huracan 2 is pulling up. A bunch of supercars, bro. It's gonna be sick. These cars are good together though. The bright ass colors, looking like some Skittles. Damn. He's feeling himself or what?
Bro, what are the neighbors thinking right now?
The neighbors? The neighbors think I'm selling dope? For sure. Huh?
Wow, bro.
And that shit is nice.
Oh, that's fucking very nice.
Look at the interior. Sheesh. You should got this one, Nikon.
I didn't fit.
The top's down, look.
Yeah, but my head would be over the windshield.
Bro, this shit looks crazy. We need one of these, guys. I swear, bro. Imagine driving a Urus every day. This is the ultimate daily. I swear, hands down. I don't care what anyone says. This is the ultimate daily. A Lambo truck. Man, look at the logo. Sheesh. I'm still out here looking like a cholo, guys, with my little white socks and slides. Yeah, we're just waiting for a couple more homies, like I said, a couple more Lambos to pull up, a Porsche, and then we're gonna go for a little cruise. We don't even know where right now. We're just gonna go drive. We got a bunch of supercars. Right now we're tempted to go, well, me and Kevin, we're tempted, oh, look at the cops, the boys. Me and Kevin are tempted to go rent a freaking Huracan 2. Our boys hooking us up, And I told Kevin we should go half on it. I didn't know all of them were gonna be in Lambos today. See, if I had the R8 right now, I wouldn't need to rent nothing. I could just be cruising the R8 right now, V10. Same engine as the freaking Huracan. I literally can't wait. Like, I seriously cannot wait to get a new car, guys. The R8, bro. I could just envision me driving the freaking supercar already. What you gotta do. Speak into existence, manifest to everything. Should we go rent one?
Please, hey, up on my ears, bro.
Nah, G.
You're increasing the seats.
Go rent one.
We should, honestly.
Why didn't we?
Not rent. Let's just go fucking buy one, dude.
Damn.
Cash.
Bro, I was saying if I had my R8 right now, I wouldn't have to rent shit.
I know.
I'm gonna get one, bro. I swear.
No, I know you will, babe. For sure.
Bro, get one with me. Damn, look what else pulled up. McLaren.
Rich.
Oh my, the door's about to hit the freaking ears. Imagine. Damn, look at that thing. Straight Batmobile. The ambient lighting. Hard.
Is he gonna drive the family car though?
Sheesh.
Jonathan?
McLaren boys. That thing is hella nice. I feel like you rarely see the GTs, huh? Oh my god. I know you guys hear it too. Bro, I'm sorry, but it's all I need. My life would be complete, brothers. You can't see anything. Bro. That's insane. Damn, bro. I'm sad. Now I'm stressed, G. Why do you have to pull up? Now I'm stressed out. Alright, we officially have over $1 million. Right here, bro. More than $1 million for sure.
Or like 1.2.
Yeah, we probably got close to 2 now.
Yeah.
Anyway, Kevin's credit card, and you know,
Yeah, we're chilling.
we're probably touching 3 mil. Bro, that's insane. This is ridiculous, bro. Alright, the lighting's bad, guys. I'm sure we'll go to a gas station later today so you can see all the cars better, but look how crazy that is. Like the lineup of cars we have right now. SV, Porsche GT3 RS, Lamborghini Evo over there, the McLaren GT, the Urus. We got everything. This is my favorite thing, the freaking rear light. That big old lightsaber light. Look at that. The big old wing. Even the light reflects on it. Look at that. The SV is ridiculous. A perfect color too. Literally the most perfect color. I wouldn't want it in any other color. Either red or all satin black murdered out. That shit's insane, bro. Fuck! Look at the perfect color too. I swear. Bro. This shit is insane, dude.
I need that in my life.
This car is ridiculous. I can literally film it all day. Oh my god. Jeez. Look at the lineup, guys. It's actually insane, bro. Like the cars that are freaking in front of us. I feel like we get kind of numb to it when we're in Cali, you know, like we see these cars a lot, but when you actually take a second and see all these cars in a row and all the homies driving them, like, it's kind of crazy, right? The Huracan. See, that's how the R8's gonna sound, bro. Same engine. I gotta get the R8. 100%, bro. Imagine the R8 right here, right next to it. It would look so sick. We can't figure out how to open the gas can, bro.
Why?
This is how you know we're all broke. I'm just kidding.
So weird.
We're not rich enough to know.
There's a gap. Look.
Anyways, we're trying to put gas in the Urus. Everyone's filling up before we head out. But now you can see the cars better in the sun. I was about to say in the light. You can see the cars way better. Look at that sand black wrap on the GT. Those are pretty rare, huh? I feel like you never see the McLaren GTs. And then we got the Huracan over here, Evo. Pretty sick. We got Mr. Chris. Did you sell the car today? Can I buy one? Did you really sell the car?
You come with the drink, yeah.
What kind? Ford GT? What if you sell Ford GT? You think it'll be like promoted?
Nah, the homies
No?
before GT, they didn't get shit.
Oh my god. Which are you taking? 100%. I gave Kevin a hard choice. This or STO? Really? Because I feel like they're kind of like the same. Not the same, but you get what I'm saying.
It's not at the same level as SVJ,
Yeah, it's not SVJ level.
but like it's second to it. Like,
Yeah, I know.
It's second to my heart.
Literally, bro. I think this is my second favorite car besides the SVJ.
Yeah, second.
100%. It's insane, bro. But yeah, it's so sick to see all these cars. Now you can see them in the gas station lighting.
You see this shit every fucking day, and you just get used to it. Like it's like
That's literally what I said earlier. I was like, well, it's kind of sad because we get used to this, but
right.
it is crazy when you start thinking about it. The cars look so much better in the light. Bro, I haven't filmed them because it's been so dark. I know, it's literally the perfect color, perfect car. Damn, you got the red interior too. Yeah, this is fire.
And you got the lines.
Damn, look at the dash, bro.
That's how you know you're rich when you got the lines like that.
And the carbon doors. Look at that, bro. Red strap,
Look at the
carbon
paint, it's
doors.
sparkling.
It does have sparkles in it. Damn, must be
Dry
nice.
carbon.
It's perfect, bro. It's literally perfect.
The real question, ready?
What?
This or a house?
This.
Comments down below.
100%
This or a
choosing
house?
this, bro. I know it's stupid, guys, but I swear to God, I'll choose
No,
that.
you're dead ass serious? You're choosing this?
Yes, bro.
You're lying.
I'm not kidding.
Over a house?
Yes, bro.
Bro, you're...
Dude, I'm too young, bro. You know, I'm trying to
Bro,
enjoy
you
it.
can buy the house.
I got my whole life to buy a house one day.
I can make it into a rental and then get money off that.
Now, I know the smart thing would be the house, but I think I have to
Bro,
go
like-
with that, bro. Life's too short, brother.
Okay. But aside, like, you have... Like, God just handed you, like, SVJ or a house. You're gonna pick an SVJ.
SVJ. 100%, bro.
Brother, how did we just catch you guys? We were just getting gas and we saw you guys here.
Brother, guess what?
What?
The Urus is broken.
Oh, what's up?
What?
How you doing?
Bro, the Urus is broken. Your Urus is broken.
I gotta take this to the dealer again. Third time this month.
The gas cap doesn't open, bro. I'm trying to put gas in it. We've been stuck here
I know.
20 minutes or
No,
more, bro.
a whole hour.
We literally been stuck here, guys. The gas tank does not open. It doesn't open, brother.
The same price?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, they're almost the same. They are the same price.
Yeah. I think I still take
That wing is, bro, I don't give a fuck, bro. Imagine picking up a girl. Which one bro, the girl's gonna get this car.
I think the girls are getting that car, brother.
Yeah.
I think the guys are gonna get in this. I'm gonna get in this.
David's always just trying to flex on everybody. David cannot have money, bro.
Imagine picking up a girl and then swinging it. Who's in there?
You're crashing. You can't even fucking swing your F80.
He said house or SVJ.
That's a hard one, bro. Imagine just, you got the kids right away, just dip. Oh, yeah, we already know where we're going.
Yeah, but where are you going,
You
bro?
want a nice
Where are you gonna go live at?
I'll live in the SVJ, brother.
Hey, I was not take a $2 million house over SVJ.
No, not
You're
$2 million.
tripping,
Bro,
brother.
you could pull up in a Honda Civic to that house and
You gotta be the same price. 'cause
What
it has
are
to be
you
fair.
crazy?
It has to be fair.
Even though.
Don't
All right, you guys can go have the house, brother. I'll be my SVJ.
Yeah, low key. Bro,
Me and Devin can have two SVJs. Insane. All right, guys, we finally got the gas cap off somehow. And they put gas in it. Now everyone's filled up and we can go for a little drive. Literally wasted like an hour trying to figure it out, but it's all good.
Just made everyone in the In-N-Out. What the fuck? Bro, I would come in my pants mid-shift. I would literally come in my pants every shift. I'm like, sounds crazy.
Bro, all of us are just freaking out, dude.
They're just all around you, bro.
Oh my god.
The things I would do with that car.
You can watch it?
Dude.
Yes, I love that part. Bro, I love that shit. I love every single time it shifts. Like,
Bro, I think it might be cooler than SVJ.
It is.
100%, bro.
flame as much.
Pops? Bro, Alex's SV was the craziest shit.
Behind us? Where?
Uh-oh.
Huh? Where?
I think it's Kevin. Kevin?
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.